folks. Assalamu alaikum. Here in this video you will find complete description of our group project, which is Intelligent Four-Way Traffic Light Control System. Undoubtedly we all have seen traffic lights on roads in the form of red, yellow and green signals. But the fundamental idea of this project was to investigate the practicality of theoretical knowledge about the components used and to invent and design the control unit using them that can be useful to mankind. The basic functionality of our design is that if there will be no traffic on the other signal, one should not wait for that signal. In fact, the system will skip the signal and will prioritize the one-way traffic. So how this system works is actually uses Arduino Uno, which controls traffic lights in such a way that the number of seconds green signal be turned on will depend on the number of cars in that road actually detected by IR sensors. Without any further delay, let's move towards the steps one by one which we followed to make this project presentable. Now, let's have some glimpses of the moments when we made hardware model of our project. For this, all the components like wooden bases, pillars and poles were made using hammer and handsaw on manual lathe and blade machines. At the initial stages, firstly we simulated the required circuit using Proteus 8 professional software. For this purpose, we used Arduino Uno along with IR sensors, resistors and LEDs. These components are connected so that IR transceivers count the obstructions and provide an idea about the traffic density on a particular lane and feed this response to a controller unit which will make the necessary decisions as and when required. The model works on the principle of changing delay of traffic signals based on the number of cars passing through an assigned section. Additionally, the microcontroller named Arduino controls IR system and counts the number of vehicles which are passing in between the sensors. As you can see, we have specially designed the counter program which uses only one IR sensor in officially supported software Arduino IDE. The signals at output of Arduino will decide further which pole will act as a closed switch at a time and will be the reason for lighting of corresponding combinations of connected LEDs followed by a resistor. And then started the major testing journey when we implemented and successfully tested the whole circuit using breadboard, and here is the final recorded and required result. The specifications of our project concept is the opening of road signals on priority basis. Firstly, you can see first sensor counts 1 and then second counts as we make it to sense the motion. If one road is open and the vehicle arrives at other road signals will open only when first signal will be closed. So this is how priority or density based, or as we named it, Intelligent Traffic Light Control System works. After that, all the art and craft work was done, which was indeed cherry on the top. Where Alhamdulillah we can proudly say that you will not find this circuit design or Arduino code anywhere else on the internet, as it actually is not covered. And it's obvious that this combined effort made our project amazing.
a smart city.